I will show you how to download and install a 100% safe horror game on Marvel Spider-Man 2 in just a few seconds. If this is helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is go to the link I left in the description below and you will find this file. You just need to download it. I have it right here. Then open it on the downloads folder or wherever you have installed it and you will find this file. So this is the file of the save of the game already complete. It's 100% safe. So you need to drag it and copy it to your local disk. Then go to users. Then right here, go to user. Go to the documents folder. Then you will find Marvel Spider-Man 2. Click there and you will see this folder with a lot of different numbers. Open it and you will see this folder. So right here, it's where you need to drag and drop the .save file. Now once we have it, we can open the game. Now once the game open, you will see we can continue game or we can load a game. So if we click here, we can see we have this 100% safe. So we can click there or go to continue. So that's it. Now I have the 100% completed game in just a few seconds. That's how simple it is. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.